This is a tour of 1208 North Oneida Street, the upper apartment unit. This would be the side door entry where you might choose to enter and come in the hallway here and then enter this door and come up the stairs here. Newly refinished floors, new windows here on the landing. And here we are at the top of the stairs in the upper unit. To the left, we have a pretty impressive stained glass window. Bedroom number 1. Individual gas heating units. Lots of natural light coming in from the south and the west. Large closet, double racks, this is bedroom number 2, and again you can see how bright it'll be in here at sunset. Another stained glass window, original to the house. Large closet here, double hanging rods. And this I would call the living room. Again, another stained glass, original to the house. This could be a miniature office type or a closet. We can figure that out later. There'll be a large air conditioner window unit placed here, up in one of the windows here. And again, we have a few things to do here. Change some mini blinds. And going this way from the living room, we're into the kitchen. Large island fitted for seating on one side, on the sink side. Large refrigerator, ice and water in the door. Natural gas range, stainless. Oil range microwave, stainless. And the island has cabinetry space available. Granite countertops. Natural stone backsplash. Stainless dishwasher. And large farm sink with a garbage disposal. Single handle faucet and soap pumper. Larger heating unit here, natural gas. And this is a coffee bar type of a setup that'll be positioned over here. And here's the pantry, fully configured with shelving and spice racking. And like I said, there's a few touch-up things we have to do, but we're very near completion. This door goes out to decking that would allow you to exit and go down to the side driveway and also access your garage. And this is the upper unit of 1208 North Oneida Street.